Wyatt Bradys is gonna meet up with me at Strands Beach, and we're gonna surf little tiny poo-poo stinky wave. That was like pretty much.
Like a wave in, you know? Just picture these. Do it, there's a lady coming. Gosh.
Oh my god.
Sticky. I went down on that wave.
I just surfed and it was terrible. Wyatt and his dad both got their tires from craft&ride, and we started with Wyatt's dad's, and then we ended up just going with both of them at the same time. And the first thing you do is take off the front bumper and the sensor, and once you have the sensor up, it gives you access to the other cables, and you just disconnect those cables. Once you have the cables disconnected, you can go ahead and take off the axle plates and the hub bolts, and your tire should pop right out of the frame. Next, we're going to let the air out of the tire using a stem core remover that you can buy at a bike shop. And then you're going to get a 2x4 or some plank of wood and wedge it against the tire and stomp down as hard as you can to break the bead and release that tire.
Ever use metal on here.
Just get that, did I not just get that?
Onto your bead. And don't put it down over it just yet. You don't want to do T5 PSI.
Oh, you put it that way.
Flump. Now comes the fun part. You line it up, paint marks. Look, you got a bunch of paint marks with the thing, and then you figure out where you're at, and you just slip it on from that. Okay, muscles.
Did I do it?
Yeah. Very good.
I love tires. Cool.
Isn't that a harder one?
Oh.
Yes.
Both sides of the hub.
Wow, that is tight.
Oh, Boniachi. Ha ha! Thank you. Beautiful job.
That was nice.
Here we go. Putting a baba goo in. Yeah.
There it goes.
Yay! We don't have broken wheels. We did it.
That was
Alright, get it on there.
Oh man.
We're gonna have to ride up to the water tower without fenders.
Yeah, we're right in the water tower.
No fenders.
We got the tires on the one wheels. Do something cool, bro. Show how grippy it is.
It's like a whole new place. So faithful, stinky.
Hokey pokey. Oh! that was sick.
One wheel, little stick, yeah, floating darn.
The tires on, and it worked looser than the stock tire, and I think that's because the profile of the tire is more rounded. My one wheel's almost dead, so hopefully we can get a couple more clips in before it dies.
Hi, my name is Wyatt Bradys, and I live in Central California.
And this is the log jump. One wheel style. Oh,
Oh, sketchy.
That was nar. Oh, that was kind of cool.
That was.
I don't know how you got.
Oh, sounds so bad for the board.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah.
That was.
What?
One wheel hill bomb of death.
Let's try to approach this a little bit sideways. Just sideways. Everything is fine.
Oh, damn. That was sketchy.
You just went straight.
It felt like it just released like a roller coaster. Oh my god.
Holy shit, that was easy. I'm going insane!